Nationalism in India. History, Chapter 3. In our previous video, we have learned about the rise of nationalism in Europe. In this chapter, we are going to learn about nationalism in India. We have seen modern nationalism in Europe associated with the formation of nation states. People's understanding changed regarding their identity and sense of belonging. The making of new national identity was a long process. The growth of modern nationalism in India is intimately connected to the anti-colonial movement. People began to discovering their unity in the process of their struggle with colonialism. The sense of being opposed under colonialism provided a shared bond that tied many different groups together. The Congress under Mahatma Gandhi tried to force these groups together within one movement. In this chapter, we will read the story from 1920 and non-cooperation movement to civil disobedience movement. First of all, we discuss about the situation just after First World War. First World War created a new economic and political situation after 1919. This led to the huge increase in defense expenditure, which was financed by war loans, and increasing taxes. Custom duties were raised and income tax introduced. The prices of goods increased between 1913 to 1918, which lead to extreme hardship for the common people. In the rural areas, widespread anger caused by people against British due to forced recruitment. In 1918 and 1920 to 21, crops failed, resulting acute shortage of food in India. At this age, new leaders appeared and suggested a new mode of struggle. Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in 1915 from South Africa. He had the idea of satyagraha to fight against the racist regime. This was novel method of mass agitation, which he called Satyagraha, the idea of Satyagraha emphasized the power of truth and the need to search for truth. It suggested that if the cause was true, if the struggle was against injustice, then physical force was not necessary to fight the oppression. A Satyagrahi could win the battle through non-violence, which could unite all Indians. Mahatma Gandhi organized Satyagraha movement in various places. In 1916, he organized Satyagraha at Champaran in Bihar against the oppressive plantation system. In 1970, he organized Satyagraha to support the peasants of Khera in Gujarat. In 1918, he went to Ahmedabad to organize a Satyagraha movement among cotton mill workers. In the next video, we will learn about the Rowlatt Act. Thanks.